what's up? It's Caitlin.
Hi guys.
It is 12:25 right now p.m. It is Black Friday, so we're going to go shopping. Yeah, let's go, and you're gonna come with me. It's my first time taking my camera out in public, so we'll see how I act. You guys go to Fetch and use my reward code. Download the app, use my reward code, get us both some points. I am not sponsored by them whatsoever. Hopefully I'll get sponsored by them one day. But go there and use my code. I put it up on the screen. Get me some points. I'll get 5,000 points per person. If you do it, I will love you forever. And I will continue to post videos on here for the rest of my life. This is the outfit of the day, you guys. Madam Glam is cruelty-free, vegan, free of 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in nail polish brands today. They're also palm oil free, which means they produce respect for the environment. Don't forget to use my code when shopping with Madam Glam. They're an amazing company and I absolutely love them. Thank you, Madam Glam, for collaborating with me on this video. Guys, I literally have the dogs out after I showered. I'm the real MVP here. It is cold as heck out here. And kind. Or part of it.
Yeah, no.
I got Chick-fil-A again today.
I know, I've seen that and I'm jealous.
Yeah. Let me show you the candle I made. I'm making another one and I did it. I realized I had to poke the hole through the sculpting mold to make the wick go through the head. So I just had to poke the hole, but look how cute.
That's really cute.
I'm making 3 of them.
You should do a rainbow one.
I should. Oh, I didn't think about that. I'm making 3 different ones. Like 3 different colors. Orange, purple, I think it is in there, and then blue.
Which means we gotta kill mimics here first. Volcano punch.
area.
She's 3.
She's a 3-nager.
What is this? I don't know. Let's
She's
see.
really making. That's a little.
My battery is about to die, you guys, but I'm gonna get this Squishmallow and this for my baby cousin because she is turning 3, so she's a 3-nager, and I gotta go. My cousin. What my mom's getting her is this LOL doll, crybaby doll. These cute little press-on nails, this little Louis Vuitton bag. It's a mini mommy and me purse, and then what else? The giant ass unicorn, dude. It was.
Don't tell what price it is.
I'll bleep out the price. Her this stuffy, super cute.
No joke, you guys. This one was
This
her
little
favorite.
cute Baby Alive spa set. A Slinky, because who doesn't love Slinkies? A Squishmallow. Look how cute it is. Okay, that's it, you guys. Bye. See you later.
Open it? No, I'll take it outside. Do you want to take it with you? Yeah. Let's go. Where do you want to go? Over here? That, she got you a unicorn.
Yeah.
Do you see it? Do you see how big it is, dude? Do you want me to pick you up and take you?
Yeah.
Here, do you want Ready? Yeah, we got you that. Oh, and then your net. Oh, I want a net like that. That's cute.
Yeah.
I can't believe you have a big girl bed.
Yeah, look over here.
Okay.
Up here.
Oh, you have a Build-A-Bear. Do you want me to get it down?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
I'm gonna put this in my bag.
Okay. Do you want me to put a shoe back on?
Yeah.
Okay.
In a bottle. Wow. Mommy.
What baby's Papa? Oh, that little baby. Is that their baby? Huh?
You can sit on this.
I can sit on it? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's read to you. Are you ready? Which
Yeah.
page do you want to start at?
I'll do this one.
This one or this one? You are my little sunshine. You are my ray of light. With you, the world is golden. The future looks so bright. Oh, and look, my sun tattoo in the sun. Isn't that kind of cool?
Yeah, I want one.
You want one? Maybe one day when you're older. Do you want to read it some more?
I want put my nails on.
Your nails? Hey. Do you want to show YouTube your purse? And your monkey?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I can't show your face, okay? Let me show them the monkey. Oh, look how cute, you guys. Look at her monkey. Super duper cute. Okay, and then show them.
My postie. You got me.
Oh, your purse. Oh, you wanted your purse seat that I got you. Okay.
I'm found.
Thank you.
That's her Christmas outfit.
Say bye-bye. Good night, you guys.
0, 1.
Her favorite thing was, in fact, the slinky.